So how was the hurricane, Polly?
Huh?
Did you enjoy the hurricane last night?
Yeah.
You did? All right.
Oh, yes.
How about you?
I didn't sleep much.
You didn't sleep. What were you doing?
Listening to your cat, and listening to Kimmy, and listening to the wind.
Well, I know what the cat was doing. What was Kimmy doing?
I'm scared. I need to call Joey. I'm scared. I want to sleep in the closet. I'm scared. I'm sleeping down right in front of you. Don't move. Don't kick me when you get up.
Oh, what was she down here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, both of you, so you're close to the closet.
Well, it was hot. I was real hot. But if I opened the window here, the breeze could come in because that covered it up so it wouldn't. You know, I couldn't open a window upstairs.
Blow in the rain.
Yeah.
Did the rain blow in? Oh, you said it blew in that door.
Yeah,
window.
blew in that door.
Yeah.
Some of the plants took a beating. And we have a little bit of litter in the yard. But otherwise, our yard looks fine. There's a shingle or two laying around, but we are hoping they're from a neighbor's house. The house looks okay, but there's a lot of small litter in the streets. Good morning. Yeah, there we go. You made it. All right. And we did lose a little bit of fence in our own yard. This is with our neighbor's shared spot. And we did have a branch break off and break a small piece of our concrete fence. And the cleanup is beginning. All the damage appears to be limited pretty much to fences down, the occasional tree limb, but I think we're going to see a tree down in just a moment. A nearby cleaner store looks pretty good at first glance. But the roof did not fare so well. Behind our house, a limb has broken off a part of the fake wood fence back here. Looks like I've got some tree trimming to do. This is an area closer to where we go grocery shopping. Crews have already gotten out and started the business of cleaning up. And folks from the light company are out, even in a light rain, trying to get power restored. Crescent Lakes neighborhood took some bigger tree hits than we did. A small lake near our home took some tree hits. Some trees were split in half. And this street looks like a forest path. It's so covered with leaves. But fortunately, our neighborhood has survived, and survived well.